back to my channel Kunni's Kunni World. How are you all? Hope you are all doing fine. Today I am going to do a bottle art for Vishu, which is an occasion celebrated in Kerala. So let's go into the video. I am going to do the bottle art with bubble wrap. So first I need to stick the bubble wrap on this bottle using glue. Now I am going to cut the rest of the bubble wrap. I am sticking the bubble wrap on the neck of the bottle. Paint flowers on this bubble wrap, but so I'm going to try to look it like Kanikonna, but it might not come like that. So I'm just trying to make it look like Kanikonna on this bubble wrap. So now I'm going to paint yellow color on the petals of the flower. So this is the center of the flower which I'm doing, and I'm going to give this rest of the flower in yellow color. I'm going to give this in another color. I painted yellow color on the petals of the bubble wrap. Now in the between, and this anyone can do it, you just need to paint on the bubble wrap on the middle of the flower. And now I'm going to paint blue paint because it matches very well with the yellow color. Now I have finished painting the flowers on one side of the bottle. Now I'm going to paint green in between of these flowers. First, these flowers look so cute, right? The combination. I'm painting this green in between so it acts like a connection between these flowers. Making this green color look like a stem for these flowers. So while doing the green paint in between, make sure that you don't put any paint on the flowers. Now I have finished painting the flowers, and I have also given green in between, and now this part is fully completed and it looks so beautiful, right? Now on the other part also I have to paint, but before that I have this Lord Krishna's picture. For some thickness I have put some cardboard and I need to stick it over here, but before that I need to outline over here. I need to cut the bubble wrap of this part out. So now let's outline. I'm outlining over the picture. The part where I should stick the Lord Krishna picture, but before sticking the picture I am painting the bubble wrap with flowers and the green as stem. So now I am giving yellow for the flower petals. I have painted both of the sides of the bottle with the flowers and stems, and it looks so beautiful, right? So before sticking Lord Krishna, I'm going to highlight Lord Krishna. I'm highlighting the full face of Lord Krishna with the marker, and for the peacock feather I'm going to highlight it, and the other flute and all I'm going to highlight it using glitter glue. Now I am detailing the other ornaments of Lord Krishna. Finished outlining Lord Krishna. Now I am going to stick Lord Krishna on the bottle. Sticking the Lord Krishna picture, I have sticked yarn around it. Now I am going to stick yarn around the neck of the bottle. Now after sticking the yellow yarn, now I am sticking green yarn on the neck of the bottle. Now the Vishu bottle art is ready and it looks so good, right? The yellow and green representing the Kanikunna, and this anybody can make it. If you have the bubble wrap, you just need to paint on it, and then happy Vishu to everyone. So this is a very good Vishu bottle craft idea. So if you like this bottle craft, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.